Hello, I'm going to make some raw corn salad. I'm going to start out with 2 ears of corn, and I'm going to shave all the kernels off. Okay, here's my fresh diced corn off the cob, and this was local corn. I'm going to dice a giant bell pepper, 2 bits of, onions, 2 cucumbers, avocado, 2 tomatoes, some cumin spice, some olive oil, a little bit of lemon juice, sea salt, black. Hello, raw community. I made a corn salad the other day, and as you can see, I've let it marinate. This is the second day, and here's what it looks like. It's very tasty. It sort of reminds me of like a summer potato salad, except this is all vegetables. It's creamy, tasty, very good. Okay, what I got in here is 4 cobs of corn, cut off the cob. I got about 3 to 4 small cucumbers, peeled and diced real small, 1 bell pepper diced, 2 green onions diced, some cilantro minced, 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1/4 cup of lemon juice. I actually used a load of lemon juice because I just felt like it needed it, and also it keeps stuff from turning. 2 small tomatoes diced, some cumin, an avocado diced, a little bit of cayenne pepper, a little bit of mesquite, or either one if you like, sea salt and pepper. And you just make this your own, whatever you want to put in it. I like stuff with a kick, and something that's really tasty. So this is a little different from your standard salad, and it tastes a lot better to me. But the avocado, what it does is, I diced it real small, but anyway, it melts into the vegetables, and it makes like a creamy texture, and it tastes really good. So you might want to try this sometime. Alright then, this is my raw corn salad, and you can add more things to it if you can think of it. Alright, bye. Alright, I just tasted this. This is definitely a keeper. I would definitely be making this again. It's very good. It's very satisfying too. It's very wet and creamy. The corn is really good. I got white corn and yellow corn in it. But the avocado really makes like a sauce in it. The lemon juice and all. So I would definitely be making this a lot more this summer. It's very good. Alright, bye.